In this video I'm going to show you how to present a Miro board very easily. So what we have created a Miro board over here, and what we want to do is basically present this board to your team members. So first of all, make sure you have added team members into your collaboration team. So go to share and there you will find your team members. If you don't have any team members yet, then invite them by entering their email addresses or copy the team invite link so they can join your team. Now next to that, once you have done that, you can start presenting your board to your collaborators. So if you click on this option, the present option, then you can start with presenting your board. As you can see, we have 3 frames and we can basically go through all of these, but there is also another option. What we can do is go out of this and you can also basically share screen your complete board. So you can also share screen your complete board because you have an option to have video calls and talk track recordings. So what we can do, we can click on this option and then you can screen record or screen share your complete board with people in your team. And this is basically how you present your board in Miro. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in the next tutorial. Cheers guys!